Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to download Bybit on your PC. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open the Bybit website. This is the homepage that you'll see. Now here, you'll get an option that says to download on the rightmost corner of the screen. And you're just going to click on that option. You can also scan this option and to download the app. Now the issue with Bybit is that it does not offer a complete application to save on your Windows. However, it offers a lot of different platforms where you can download this app, as it has App Store, Google Play Store, App Gallery, Mi Store, Samsung Store. So what you can do in order to run Bybit as an application on your desktop, and it's not even offered on the Windows Store, I can show you that as well. So what you can do to run it is basically you can run an emulator that would emulate .apk applications, and that would essentially play this application if you download it as an .apk. So that's basically how you can download Bybit on your PC. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.